Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the pneumonia and tuberculosis disease detection using chest x-ray. So this will be the complete web page. Let's click on the login page, and first you have to sign up with the details like name, email ID and password. If the user already exists, then it will show the error message, or else they can sign up. So I'm just entering the existing email and then click on sign up. So it will show user already exists with this email. So you have to change the email ID. I'm just writing A, then sign up. So here you can detect the pneumonia and tuberculosis. For that you have to just upload any image. I'm just selecting that particular image. Then click on upload and analysis. So it will show the pneumonia as a disease and analyze image, confidence, report summary, nearby hospitals, and you can also download the report as well. So this will be a complete project, and if you're in doubt then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.